In this video, I'll show you how to add a toggle in Notion. I'm using a sample page called Add Toggle List just as an example, so you can clearly see what happens. Click anywhere on the page where you want to toggle. Type a / on your keyboard. A menu appears. Type Toggle List. Click Toggle List. A toggle appears on the page. Type a title for the toggle. Press Enter. Click the small arrow to open the toggle. Your cursor moves inside the toggle. Type anything you want inside it. After you are finished, click it again to close the toggle. You can open and close it a few times to see how it works in action. That's how you add a toggle in Notion.